Today is the second class of logarithm. The first sum. If 1 plus log a to the base 10 equal to 2 log b to the base 10, express a by b. That is the question. Express a by b. Solution. 1 plus log a to the base 10 equal to 2 log b to the base 10. Now here a to the base 10, so base is 10 here, also base is 10 here. So you have to write 1 in the base 10, log 10 to the base 10, same base, same number, so that is 1. 1 to the base 1, 1, 2 to the base 2, 2, but here base is 10. For this reason I am writing here the base is 10, okay? But there is no problem here. Log 10 to the base a equal to log 10 to the base b square. This 2 goes to upper of the b, that is square. Now the first formula, log m to the base n equal to log n to the base a equal to log a to the b, m plus n to the base a. Here 10 to the base 10, a to the base 10. So log 10 to the base 10 into a, that is 10a, and log 10 to the base b square. Comparing the both sides, both the base is 10, so 10a equal to, therefore 10a equal to b square. Therefore a equal to b square by 10, or you can write 1 by 10 into b square. Sum is very important and very interesting, so you have to do the sum like this way. The second sum here, that is evaluate. Solution. Log 2 second bracket log 2 log 3 log 3 to the base 27 cube, first bracket, second bracket, third bracket. Now log 2, minority follow the sum. Log 2 log 3, look at here, log 3 27 cube, that is you can write 3 cube 27 and this cube, okay. Second bracket, third bracket. Here 3 into 3 9 and log 3 to the base 3 equal to 1, so you can write here log 3 to the base 9. Log 2, minority follow the sum, log 2 second log 3, so 3 into 3 9, log 9 to the base 3, and log 3 to the 3 into 3, this 3 into 3 9 come here, and log 3 to the base 3, that is 1. You can write or you cannot write. For your convenience I am writing here. So 3 logs 3, same base, that is 1, so that is the sum. Log 2 second bracket log 2 into log 3, that is 3 square, and that is 1. So 3 to the base 3 1, log 2 into log 2 3 to the base 3 1. So log 2 to the base 2, that is 1, that is log 2 to the base 1, log 1 equal to 0. That's your answer, okay. Similarly you have to do the similar sum from your book when I am giving you the homework. Now the third sum or last sum, that is also evaluate. Evaluate the problem. Solution. Log 10 384 by 5 plus 81 by 32, all are fraction here, plus 3 log 10, that is 5 by 3, plus log 1 by 9 to the base 10 equal to, look at here, log 10 log 10 log 10 log 10, all the bases are 10. Now split this one, please that one, please this one and that one separately. log 10 to the base 384 log m by n minus log 10 to the base 5. This one is over. Similarly, this one log 10 to the base 81 division. So minus here log 10 to the base 32. This one is over. Now this one. Look at here. That is 3. So log 5 by 3 cube. So I can write log 10 to the base 5 cube minus log 10 to the base 3 cube. Okay. Plus log 10 to the base 1 minus log 10 to the base 9. I am repeating the sum again. Now there is a fraction 384 by 5. So log 10 to the base 384. All the bases are 10. So that is no problem. Here you have to watch this point. 384 minus log 5 minus log 81 minus log 32 plus log 5 cube minus log 3 cube plus log 1 minus log 9. All the bases are 10. Now underline here plus 1 2 3 4 pluses 1 2 3 4 minus. So you can write similarly log 10 to the base this plus that this. So you can write in this way 384 into 81 into 5 cube into 1 pluses are over minus not 10 to the base minus. So the minus is common, so that is also is plus log 5 into 32 into 3 cube into 9. So plus here, take it minus common, and that is also is plus minus common, so that is plus. Double marking for your convenient way. Okay. Now log m minus log n, that is log m by n, that is log m 384 into 81 into 5 cube by n 5 into 32 into 3 cube into 9. And I am writing here, not here, for your convenient way. That is 5 square clearly. 3 cube 27. 3 cube 27 into 381. Directly I am cut here. 3 cube 27 into 381. Okay, 3 3 ja 9. Cutting must be clear. 3 3 ja 9. 32 here directly you can cut here. 32 1 ja 32, 64 32 ja 64. 3 4 ja 12. So 4 into 5 square. Write it separately. That is 4 into 5 square. That is 25. Okay. So 4 into 5 square equal to what will be written? 25 into 4, that is 100. Equal to log 10 to the base 10 square. You can write 2 here. So 2 log 10 to the base 10. So 10 to the base 10, that is base, and the problem here is also equal. So 10 to the base 10 equal to 1. That is 2 into 1. That is 2. So the answer is 2. Sum is slightly large, but the process is very easy. You have to follow the process and do the sums. Okay. That is, your second class is over. Thank you.